Great. Here's a powerful hook followed by a simple and highly engaging video script tailored for the title How I Made $500,000 with This One Affiliate Marketing Strategy. This script is structured to hold viewer attention, provide value, and build trust, all in an easy-to-understand way. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money while you were sleeping. I know it sounds wild, but I used one affiliate strategy that helped me earn over $500,000, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, with nothing held back. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make real money online, not hype, not scams, but an actual system that works, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing the exact strategy I used to make over $500,000 through affiliate marketing, and the best part, I didn't need a huge audience, paid ads, or even a website at the beginning. 1. The foundation. So let's break it down. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. But what makes it powerful is when you focus on one high-paying product and build trust with a targeted audience. Most people try to promote everything. That's a mistake. I focused on just one product that solved a real problem, and it paid $200 to $500 per sale. Here's the key. Pick a product you believe in. Make sure it has a good payout and that people are actively searching for it online. I chose a software product in the digital marketing space, but this strategy works for fitness, finance, and other niches too. Part to the strategy. Let's talk about the one strategy that made all the difference. It's what I call a content and capture method. Here's how it works. Content I created simple, helpful videos on YouTube that answered specific questions about the product. Things like, how to use product name, is product worth it? Product tutorial for beginners. These videos didn't go viral, but they showed up in search results and attracted people who were ready to buy. Capture. I added a link in the description that led to a free guide or bonus, but to get it, they had to enter their email. That's where the magic started. Now I had a list of people who were interested, and I followed up with emails that helped them even more, showing how to use the product, success stories, and tips. This built trust, and people started buying. Part 3 results and scaling. I started seeing sales come in, $200 here, $500 there. Then it just snowballed. Because my videos were evergreen, they kept getting views. My email list grew, and every month, my affiliate income increased. Eventually, I turned this into a system that made over $500,000, all from that one strategy, content and capture. I didn't need to go viral. I just needed to be helpful, consistent, and focused. So if you're thinking about affiliate marketing, great. Here's a compelling and audience-focused video script for your topic. Unlock the power of AI and build a $4 million website without coding. The language is kept simple. The hook is designed to draw viewers in instantly, and the video maintains a strong narrative to keep attention until the end. What if I told you that the website you're looking at right now could be built by you without writing a single line of code and could make you $4 million or more? Sounds impossible. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's changing the game for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators everywhere. How to use AI tools to build million-dollar websites without any coding knowledge at all. For years, we've been told that to build a successful website, you need to know how to code, hire expensive developers, and spend months in development. But not anymore. Today, AI can do the heavy lifting. All you need is an idea and the willingness to take action. Let's break it down. 2. The tools you need. Let's look at the tools that are turning regular people into online business owners earning 6 to 7 figures. Dorable.co. This is your all-in-one AI website builder. Tell it what your business is, and it builds your entire website in under 30 seconds. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, these AI assistants can write your website copy, SEO descriptions, blogs, and even help with customer support. Canva plus Magic Studio for designing logos, social media graphics, and visuals all without needing Photoshop. Pictory or Runway, turn your text into stunning video content in minutes. Stripe plus Gumroad for monetizing your site instantly, no developers, no fuss. Part 3. Building the $4 million website, step by step. Let me show you how this works in real time. Here's how you could build a business that makes $4 million in revenue in less than a year. Step 1. Choose a niche, digital products, coaching, templates, AI power tools. Step 2. Go to Dorable.co and tell it what your business is. Boom, site built. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to write killer homepage copy and blog content that ranks. Step 4. Create a digital product using Canva or Notion. Step 5. Add Stripe to your site and start selling. Step 6. Use social media and YouTube Shorts to drive traffic. This is free marketing. Thousands of people are doing this already, and the best part, you can do it from your bedroom with just a laptop. Part 4. Real-world proof and inspiration. Meet James. He launched a simple AI-powered agency site in just 2 hours. One viral TikTok later $20,000 in 1 month. Or Sarah, who sold Notion templates via site built with AI $1.2 million in 2024 alone. Part 5. Why most people won't do it. Here's the truth. The tools are easy, but the mindset is the hard part. Most people won't take action. But you're still watching, which tells me you're not most people.